Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to be doing another episode in my 5-minute cleaning series. So previously I have cleaned the kettle and toaster and also the doors. So basically the object of these challenges are you set 5 minutes and you get a little bit of your kind of deep cleaning done, so that when it comes to that area you will know that that is clean and you don't have to worry about it. So today for me I'm going to be doing my wooden blinds that are on my French doors. So I'm going to give myself 5 minutes, and how I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Hoover with like a brush attachment that's on it. I do know that you can spray on like vinegar and then wipe it with a damp cloth. You can also, as far as I know, you can actually wash them, like physically wash them. I've never done that though. I usually just get the Hoover with the attachment and Hoover along. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Before I do, I just want to say thank you to everybody who watched my video yesterday, my Laundro chat. And in that video, I did mention that I am running a competition on Instagram. If you are a resident of the UK and Ireland, I would advise you to go over there. I am giving away a pack of Mam night suiters. So they're the glow-in-the-dark suiters. Mam has set this up for me, so I'm really grateful, and I would love if everybody in the UK and Ireland could go over, check that out and enter. So I'll have that on the screen somewhere here. So as I said, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, so that's that finished. It took me, I think, like 4 minutes something or other to do that. As you saw, I did one side, turned the blind, and then did the other side. It feels so much better now. and I know that that is clean and I don't have to worry about that for another month or so until I do it again. Doing it with that attachment on my Dyson is so very handy as well. So it literally just takes 5 minutes to do those 3 windows. So that's it. I encourage you to do something today, something that will only take 5 minutes, whether it's cleaning your kettle, dusting your windows, cleaning one window, dusting some baseboards or skirting boards, cleaning down your doors, whatever it is. Just take 5 minutes out of your day to complete a task today. It will make you feel so much better that it's done, and you will know that when you go to deep clean or zone clean that area, that's done and dusted and you don't need to do it until next time. So that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said at the start, I do have an Instagram competition happening where you can win night suitors from Mam. They're the glow in the dark ones. So I would really appreciate if you were a resident of the UK or in Ireland to go over and enter that competition. It runs until Monday the 19th. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new. I put out videos 3 days a week, and I also do a blog post 1 day a week. There will be a blog post out later today, and I will have that linked in the description for you guys to check out. It is based on my TOT school, which is toddler-based school at home. Activities for toddlers, learning through play, that sort of stuff. So if that interests you, please do check that out. And that is today's video. I will talk to you very soon. Bye.